I had my stomach completely removed on July 3rd, and here are the 10 things that I needed immediately after I got home from the hospital. After surgery, the likelihood of getting bile reflux, which is kind of like heartburn, but it's not exactly the same because now you don't have a stomach. Anyway, the chance of getting bile reflux is pretty high, but if you sleep more upright at like a 45-degree angle, the likelihood of you getting bile reflux is actually greatly reduced. So that's why I have this Wedge Pillow. After I got home from the hospital, this Wedge Pillow saved me because, I don't know if you know this, hospital beds are the worst. This one is memory foam. It's actually, it's pretty great. It's really more of just a place for my other pillows to live so that I can sleep more upright and just be cozy all night and not have bile reflux. Shower chair. It really just speaks for itself, but this shower chair is at the hospital. And then when I got home and I had a shower chair ready for me, I was so happy. I didn't think I'd be as exhausted as I was when I got back from the hospital, but the shower chair just allowed me to like relax in the shower. And I was very tempted to just keep it in my shower forever. Shower chairs are just like so comfortable and great to have. Sick bags. When I was at the hospital, I had a terrible incident with a pancake, but these sick bags helped me incredibly because it is so much easier to yak in these sick bags. They're called Emises bags? Emises bags for sick cleanup. They're actually great to have if you have a kid too, because kids just throw up immediately anywhere they want, but with these bad boys, you're always ready. Hi, Kelsey.
Hi.
This is the food scale. This literally saves my wife and I from fighting because it measures in ounces. When you get home from the hospital, when I got home from the hospital, it was like, how many calories am I eating? So food scale helps you just like measure out serving sizes, because serving sizes usually come in like, 1 ounce of carrots is 100 calories or whatever. So food scale is very important. So I'm very happy I had one of these after I got home from surgery. Obviously, snacks. You gotta have snacks. But the snack that really helped me get through the first few days after I got back from the hospital, protein bars. They are so packed with just calories and protein that one of these will definitely help you get through the day. In like packs of 10, boy, do they pack a punch. I kind of got sick of them after a while, but in those first few days, especially coming back from the hospital, I knew that these were like packed with calories. I could keep them down, and not too many added sugars or anything. But just overall, a good choice if you're trying to test the waters. Protein bars. Food diary. Look at all these days of food that I wrote down when I got home. I could have used it on my phone, but I really enjoyed just like writing it down and actually having a catalog of it so my wife and I can like look at it and see and track the calories together. So food diary is a big one. It was really great to have to take into the doctor at my checkup to be like, this is all the food I've been eating. I hope you're proud of me. And the doctor was very proud of me. I actually gained weight. This is Sir Coughs a Lot. He is a very nice stuffed bear that I got from City of Hope. Thank you, City of Hope. Basically, every time I coughed, sneezed, laughed, anything really, I just bear down on Sir Coughs a Lot. Allow me to demonstrate. Achoo! I use Sir Coughs a Lot to bear down on my incisions so that, my stomach stayed together. So, bear down. Get something. Multivitamins that include B12 because, I don't have any more ways to process B12 or create B12 in my body because now I don't have a stomach. This is like a really easy Trader Joe's chewable multivitamin that helps with digestion and stuff and has some B12 in it. It's not going to be enough if you're looking to like supplement a full B12 need. I needed to get a shot for that now, and I probably need to get a shot again, but this chewable multivitamin is great. We can't really talk about coming home from the hospital without talking about, you guessed it, a blender. This is the Vitamix. It's a very intense blender, but really any blender will do. But when I got home from the hospital, oh my Lord. I was eating so many shakes, drinking so many shakes, and this thing can blend all the things. All the things. It can just blend. You don't have to worry about it. I got this as a gift from my friends because they felt bad for me because I had cancer. And I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Any blender will do, but the Vitamix. Blender ball cup. When I got back from the hospital, I was trying to mix my protein shakes just with like a fork in my cup. Terrible. When I got the blender ball cup, oh my gosh, it was like 2 or 3 days later. Changed the game. I could drink protein shakes so much easier. Blender ball cups are a must for anyone coming back from the hospital. If you made it this far in the video, thanks so much for watching. Please comment shower chair because I love my shower chair. Consider watching another video and consider subscribing. Thanks y'all. See you soon.